everyone, today I'm going to show you how to replace the faulty windshield washer pump for the Toyota Camry 2012. Pretty straightforward if you have proper tools and the proper parts. Let's dive in. The tools we needed: flathead screwdriver, small Phillips screwdriver, 10 mm socket, and the wrench and the flashlight. This is good enough to complete this task. First come first, in order to access easily, just turn the wheel on the left side, which is on the driver's side. This is going to give more space to remove the washer pump. Here's the bottom view of the three nuts. You need to remove these three screws. The last one, you don't need to completely take it out, just loose it up. But other two, you need to take it completely out in order to access the washer pump.
Can spray some W40 so it's make this screw come out easy, because it's a rusty part underneath close to the wheel. How easy that? The third one completely not necessary to remove. Just you can loose it up here, because we don't need that side access. The pump will be on the right edge core. So simply, it came out, just twist it there. So now, see, so it's loosened up here. So the part we need to remove this panels here and this screw, then this will come out itself. One clip I remove it already. That's what I want to show you guys. Here's the pump. Here's the pump. There's the electric wire. This is for the water level sensor. So simply you press it, and close look of the water pump, windshield washer pump. That's the second one, is the windshield washer sensor. You need to remove the wire. This is a push-in clip, just simply gently pushing and pulling out outside. That's the power connector I was mentioning before. It's connected with that pump, so you need to give some gentle push here and release it. Make sure you're using the drainage when you remove that the hose, and before you take it out, you need to drain all the windshield water. So keep something in the container in the bottom, so you're not going to mess up your garage. You can see this one. Be gentle. You don't want to break any. The dripping on. So now I'm going to take it out that pump. You can see there's a rubber adapter there. So just gentle, slowly. A small screwdriver, you can use it. You can see where it came. It's one faulty windshield washer pump. This is the rubber washer. It's a good. So I can use it, or maybe I want to check it my new one. If they have a one, I'm going to use the new one. But still, I'm looking, it's not bad. I can reuse it. Here's the faulty one. It's a Denso Toyota.
This is my replacement new one, Trico. I got it from Part Source in Canada. It's come with a washer, so the way you can throw it out the old one, use the new one.
Best idea to take it out the ring separately. I think it's easy because I tried with the ring, the rubber on it. It's kind of little hard, so make it easy. I put the ring here. There's a new one. It's a pretty straightforward. Just you're gonna snap it inside the. Perfect. Oh, there's a new one. I'm gonna push it in. Make sure it's tight, because otherwise the windshield washer going to leak in there. I can feel it. It's firm and steady. So we're going to connect it back. And this for the level sensor. That's it.
Everything in place. It perfectly fit inside the windshield washer tank.
And I'm happy about it. It's I didn't get any wrong parts. Okay, connect it back. pipeline. It goes to the windshield. Snap it in. Make sure everything's tight. Everything looking cool. I'm gonna put the windshield on there and see. Let's see any leakage. All pretty good. There's no any leakage that I can see. All right, now it's the time to test my wiper. Okay, time to put it back. The two screws, I remove it. Just move it, this rubbery thing back here. So one screw goes here, the other one here. That's it. It's hard to see now so that the rubber part is blocking. Oh, this is my all-time favorite Dewalt driver. So it's fast. That's one of the best tool ever I had. All in place now, everything put back, ready to move the car back from my garage. It's less than 20 minutes job if you have a proper tool.